Oh, yeah. Fig trees?
Point out the figs that you saw, because you don't know what the figs look like.
Are they like
Oh, come to my house. I'll show you hundreds of them.
Yeah.
I've got 200 of them on my fig tree right now. Yeah.
They're not supposed to be on there.
Are they like little balls or just
No,
like little?
where did- here it is. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Now,
Nice.
in Southern California and here, they get to be that big.
Oh, wow.
In Victoria, not
They're
much
that
bigger
tiny.
than that. Yeah. Yeah, we just can't grow anything.
We grow okra.
Okra, that's it. That's right. We can grow
Okra and oranges.
okra and oranges. I think they just had it terraced so you can walk across.
Oh, okay.
Wow, that's nice. No There's another little fig on there. I don't know what those are because it's not the season for figs, man. They're a little
Sounds like something Jesus
Okay.
said.
Yeah, that's right. Well, it wasn't.
What do you?
Well, it was this time of year when Jesus made that comment.
What comment did he make?
He was going to Jerusalem and he saw the fig tree and he went to get something to eat on it, but it wasn't the season for figs. And he said, you know,
Curse that tree.
Oh, so
curse
it died?
you, you know.
Oh, yeah.
And the next day they walked by and it was dead.
Oh, yeah. I think I remember.
Yeah,
that.
and
Oh,
of
yeah,
course-
there's some right there too.
Yeah, yeah, there's several little things
Oh
there.
man.
So
I
anyway,
guess
let's
you can make like a, you're not fulfilling your purpose.
exactly,
What
exactly.
Are you doing?
Yeah.
What
That's
are
exactly
you
it,
doing?
yeah.
Ooh.
So yeah, so these are fig trees all around, and you know it's an ideal place. They have the water now. The water usually will run over the tops of some of these
these?
things. Yeah, because they have lots of water
That's in the
Oh.
spring when we're here.
Okay,
in the
so then
spring.
that's the water that's coming from the mountain.
from Mount Hermon. Yeah,
Okay, gotcha.
but this has been a dry year, and we're here in the fall, not in the spring. So in the spring, the scene can be flooded with water. Water will be flowing. It'll come more at Dan. Dan is the #1 source for the Jordan River. This would be the second source out of the 3. So
Fresh mountain spring water.
That's right.
it is.
But
Oh,
don't
yeah.
jump in.
But whatever you do,
Don't jump in.
to jump in.
Okay, well I guess we ought to do the where we're at and
Hermon River Springs.
yeah. Yeah, okay.
Oh, I know the answer.
Yeah.
Pick me, Big Bear.
Okay.
Now, do you want to get where there's more
No, 'cause it's
greenery
kind
than
of-
brown? All this looks a little deadish.
Let's just
right
stand back
here.
right where we were. We'll have all the
Yeah.
Right here,
I'll
this
show
is
you
really
that.
nice.
yeah, because
and
here you
then
see the
look,
water coming.
And the water in the background.
Oh, right here.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
that's
you want me to
perfect.
take your camera here?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Okay.
Is this a barrel? I don't know what
No,
you
you can
put that on.
Yeah.
Oh, let me get here to the other side. Sorry.
No, you're good.
Okay. Again, we're located at what's called Banias today,
Okay.
but in the first century, it was called Caesarea Philippi.
Okay.
This is one of the 3 places where Herod built a temple for Augustus Caesar. So we have one here, we have one at Samaria,
Okay.
and we have one at Caesarea.
You know, I think this is too dark.
Too dark. I was going to say they're like.
Oh.
I can't. I know
Oh,
some
because the
people
light
like-
behind.
Yeah, because I'm looking at this. Well, in person it looks fine, but on here it looks like
It's too dark.
your face is black.
Yeah.
This is not a good spot. Maybe just
Well,
further
I've
down.
always
Sun.
wanted to be a little darker.
Well, sir, we have proof.
That's right.
We have proof, sir.